I suck at intros so much. Okay. No, we're just gonna start. We're gonna start. What's up? Today I'm gonna be trying something a little bit new. I'm going to cut my new jeans to fit with these new boots that I got from Lulus here. Little like Western boots, but they're really tall. They're mid-calf. They are lovely. What I'm gonna do is basically cut these to crop off at the bottom so that I have to like completely roll my jeans into like capris basically. So basically what you're gonna need is a pair of blue jeans, more black jeans, a pair of jeans, some scissors, and then a razor. I'm just using my straight razor from work that I don't use anymore. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is try on the jeans and then try on the boots and then make a little cut line of kind of where I want the length to be on the jeans. So let's go ahead and do that. We got the jeans on, throw the boots on. Dang, these be cute. Feel like I'm ready to go hop on a horse. So basically what we're gonna be doing is cutting them so they're fringed right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab Sharpie. Just like I'll cut there. We're gonna try and make that even. Do that a little bit more when I take off the pants again. You guys see that little line? Yeah. All right, so now that we have our jeans, I literally just tore them off and then turn them back inside out. So now that we have our cut lines in our jeans, I'm going to fold them and then just make sure that they're like kind of lined up. Just kind of going to put my fingers where that is and fold it. Literally, I'm just trying to do this out of my imagination here. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut. So the lines look pretty even. I mean, we'll check it again once I finish cutting. I did so you guys can see it. My cow scissors just aren't doing it. Like sawing through the very thick part of that denim. This hurts my hand. Oh my god. I'm just kind of doing what I kind of want. I'm feeling creative. Make like little slits by the corners. Basically just taking my razor. I know that you can also use like cheese grater or razor for your legs or your face or whatever, and you're just going to like peel away at it. Just like this. I might try another razor. Not that I don't like this, but I just want to see what else I can use. I'm just going to use a razor from my shower. I don't know how much I like this one better. Hold on. No, I like mine better. I want to make like just stressed right there. I'm just gonna cut more little slits. Maybe that'll help fray it a bit more. The digging motion. Maybe if I hold it like when I do hair. Yeah, it's actually working. I feel like I'm here for it, but it needs to be a little bit better. Doing this on my leg, you can't really see it. I'm just gonna keep playing around with it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you because this might take a little bit longer. Okay, so basically is I made extra little cut holes, like little slits, and then kind of ripped them a little bit. So they're kind of like frayed out. I think I cut them a little short than I'd like to, which is totally fine. It kind of goes with this little look. I wouldn't wear these jeans with anything but these boots, but that's okay because I bought them just specifically to go with these jeans, and it worked. Wow. So then I'm actually gonna cut a pair of my black jeans as well, a little bit longer, just to like cover the top. I always cuff them anyways, so then this one will be easier just to wear with any heels or with these boots as well. So, right, so these are my trusty old pair of black jeans. So I'm not gonna make the mistake of cutting these ones too short and make it so they go over the boots a little bit. Basically, I cuff these jeans every day anyways, That's the wrong foot. Ah, it's the right foot. Okay, that just felt really weird. Maybe I'll just cuff them without putting the boots on and cut from there. That seems about right. Yeah, I have you guys on my hedgehog house. So, I cuff them here. So I'm actually just gonna take these off and cut on the cuff. I don't know, I'm just gonna do a little baby cut. Unfold the jeans. And then there's my cut line. Cool. Ba, 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 ba. Now I'm just gonna match them up and then just cut. And I'm just going to do it again. I like the way that the black looks frayed better. All right, so no matter how I wear them, whether they're over or in, I don't like the way they look. They go right on that lip. I really don't feel like changing again, so we're just gonna cut them on my body. This is what makes me not want to do videos for you guys, because you can see how big of a mess I am in real life. It takes me forever. Like, I'm such a perfectionist, and I just want, you know, the videos to look nice and cute, like make it look like I have my life together, but well, you know, I don't. All right, so basically trial and error with this that I did, so you don't have to do it, is cut just above the boot line, and then you'll get that like perfectly little wispy part on the top. I don't know if wispy is the right word. Either way, that's my suggestion. That's the perfect length. It's not that I hate my other ones, I just really like this looks better.